Hi, I'm Melissa. People tell me I look younger than I am, which is always lovely. And I plan to continue to age gracefully without the use of Botox, without the use of fillers or invasive surgeries. I want to share my story about my age-defying product that I've developed with the Chelsea Laboratory that helps fight back the years naturally, slows down the signs of aging, and gives you the confidence back that can come with getting older. So my background is in acting and modelling. I trained as a performer at Italia Conti Stage School. I've been working in the entertainment and media industry since I was 16. I started out as a dancer. I gradually moved into modelling and acting and then presenting. And about 15 years ago, when my youngest daughter was 2, I decided to train as a makeup artist and beauty therapist. I was 31 at the time. I was a mum of 2 young children. Over the past 15 years, I've continued to pursue both the on-screen career alongside my beauty career. I knew that if I wanted to keep enjoying my radiant glow of youth, I needed to find a product that would hold back the years and keep me looking young. I wanted a skincare product that would keep my skin moisturised. I wanted it to keep it smooth and glowing whilst holding back the years. So I wasn't asking for much, but I needed to find something special. I knew that. And no products on the market were doing what I needed. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and collaborate with the Skincare Laboratory and create my own. And that's when I approached the Chelsea Laboratory, and together we've created our groundbreaking anti-aging solution, Firm and Restore formula. It's already been helping thousands of women around the world wind back the years and see anti-aging effects that they never thought were possible. It targets all signs of aging on your face, neck and jawline without the need for risky surgery or invasive treatments, helping skin to feel and look tighter, fuller and more elastic. Not only this, results will get better and better over time. So what are you waiting for? Click on the button below to secure your supply of the Chelsea Laboratories Firm and Restore formula, and you too can enjoy more youthful, firmer, smoother looking skin naturally. Let's fight back the years without surgery, Botox and fillers and enjoy healthy, youthful skin as we enter what I know is going to be our best years ahead.